Trying to figure out which gold IRA companies you can really trust? Understanding key professional credentials can make the choice much clearer. Many investors are not sure which credentials and memberships actually matter when choosing a precious metals provider. That's why knowing what to look for can save you time and stress. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will see examples of how professional associations and ethics-focused memberships help signal a company's reliability. These are examples from the guide to illustrate the credentials you should look for when evaluating any provider. Key things to check include membership in recognized industry organizations that enforce ethical standards, transparent adherence to professional guidelines, and consistency in how the company handles clients and transactions. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also covers Gold and Silver IRA, the Silver Scheme Report, and more. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how these professional credentials help you pick a reputable company. By focusing on these credentials, you will have a clear picture of which gold IRA providers are committed to professionalism and integrity. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to identify reputable gold IRA companies through their professional credentials. You can find the link in the description.